Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We are working on the Audi once again, and we are installing this guy. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we are converting our head unit to support Apple CarPlay and Android Play with this box. So this is about $300 on Amazon. The link is in the description, and we're going to be going ahead and putting this in the car and seeing how well it works. It should be pretty easy from what I can tell. And one thing that I did forget was to buy the keys that help pull out the head unit, which I will show you in 1 second when we get inside the car. But I found a way around it, so let's jump into the car and start pulling stuff out so we can get this guy installed. So as you can tell, I already kind of popped this guy out. And this is the section that you're going to need to take out. And normally you get a little key that fits right in here. And what I ended up doing, since I didn't order the key, I thought it came in the kit, is I grabbed a little hose clamp and cut part of it so it fit perfectly into this slot, and then kind of pushed to the right and pulled. And I had two of these, and I had them on each side, and this thing kind of slid out. So now we can pull this guy out completely. Like so. And we can start to disconnect pretty much everything on the back side of this little radio. Just like this, pretty easy to do. Don't forget the one on the bottom. There's a clip down there. Looks like that. They're all pretty easy to get out. I didn't have any troubles, but now we have this guy free, and we can go grab all the contents of the new one. So I'm going to start off by grabbing the main harness and plugging this section right here, the male side, into right here. So I'm going to do that since I kind of need two hands to do it. Plug that in like so, and then this end, which is the female side, is going to go into our stock radio unit, and it's kind of just going to relay information through these cables, and this one I believe is going to plug into the CAN section right here, like so. And the next step is to pull out our AC controller unit. Pretty easy, just pulls out. And then reach back here for the bigger clip and pull up on this red pin, push down on the clip, and pull out this clip, which is tough with one hand. Once you get this clip out, you can feed it into this section, which loops back to our main harness. There's a female side, and that'll just plug into here. And the male side will plug in to this clip that we just pulled out, and the female side will go back into our AC port. This is just so we can have all of our AC controls show up on screen when we are trying to adjust them. So we'll just plug this in real quick and then I'll come back. And there we go. Now this is all connected. We can go ahead and put our AC plate back in where it's supposed to be. Now that the AC panel is back where it should be, we can go ahead and grab this cable and plug in this dark blue side into our LVDS. So just like that, and we can go ahead and grab this side and find the gray cable in here and plug this in like that. There we go, easy enough. And the other side of this is going to go into the gray port on our original radio, which I'm waiting for till this is kind of settled in. So now we can go ahead and put in the Wi-Fi antenna, which is this blue cable, which should fit in here. And now that the CarPlay box has everything that needs to be plugged into it, we can go ahead and grab our power and our LVDS and plug it into our original radio. And it's a little tough to see, but I've reattached everything that I originally detached. You guys don't have to detach everything if you don't want to. I just thought it might be a little bit easier to have some more space in here. And with this kind of back where it should be. I'm going to take the box. I'm going to try to throw it underneath all these cables below this box. So I'm going to need both hands to kind of shove it down there, but I'm going to try to get this guy inside. Might be a little bit tough to see, but I got it pushed down. It's pretty much right here, and it sit pretty flush, so I think this should be able to slide in with no problem. Also, the instructions say to keep the Wi-Fi antenna away from any metal, so I'm going to try to keep it just all the way in the back and see, hopefully that works, and I'll let you guys know how well the reception is. Now that this is back in place and everything is still working, I can now long press nav, and I should be able to select CarPlay. And then connect mobile devices. So it's been a couple days since I've gotten everything installed. I just wanted to make sure everything works and kind of give you guys my opinion on it, if it's worth it. And as far as I can tell, for the price that it is, it's I think $300, it's totally worth it. Having the wireless CarPlay is so nice, because even brand new cars these days, you still have to have it wired. So being able to have it Bluetooth and show up navigation, and just being able to toss my phone aside and not even look at it is fantastic. And it works pretty seamlessly with Audi's stock UI. I'll show you in 1 second when we start it up, but it's pretty much seamless. So actually, let's look at it and I'll show you what I mean. So we go ahead and start the car, and you'll see kind of the usual UI pop up. And let me shut the door so it doesn't make this beeping noise at me. And basically what you can do is just come here and hold down the media button, and when you do that, it'll launch CarPlay. And once you get in here, pretty much you can use this guy to navigate and launch CarPlay, and there you go. It's just the usual CarPlay stuff. You don't even have to resync your phone. It just uses the Bluetooth that it already had, and any button you use down here just lets you select things, since it's not touchscreen, but you know, you don't really need it, honestly. If you do need to change maps or anything, you just control it on your phone, and there you go. Easy CarPlay, cheap. Took me, I don't know, 45 minutes, and that's with filming everything. Definitely something I would recommend doing if you have a little bit of extra money and you want to, you know, kind of make your interior just that much better, to be able to just look over here and have CarPlay. It's something that's just, it's the little details that make the inside of a car just a nice place to be in, and it's definitely something that it's a no-brainer. It's so easy to install. Just plug and play. It's not like other head units where you have to rewire stuff, so definitely worth it. I hope this video helped you guys out, and as always, go check out finiteco.net. It's hoodie season, so go get yourself a hoodie. They're actually pretty well priced, so go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.